Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys a makeup haul that I did. I unfortunately will not be in the video because I'm going to actually do a video later tonight, and the products that I want to use is actually in my makeup haul, so I didn't want to use the products before doing my makeup haul, so it'll make sense later. But I'm gonna be doing a voiceover just showing you guys what I brought, and then in my later video I will use the products and let you know how I like them. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video so that I can show you guys my makeup haul. I'm so excited about these products. I've been waiting to get my hands on them, and if you want to see this video, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. The first thing that I got is one of my favorite products, the Chanel Chance Tendre, I want to say, fragrance. I love this fragrance. I got my handy dandy notebook. No, I'm just playing. I got my favorite setting spray. I had to re-up on that, which is the Fix Plus Dermal Blend setting powder and warm saffron. It is translucent, but it has color. That's what I like about it. It can go a lot of skin tones. It is black girl friendly. When I contour, I like to go over it to kind of settle it, to bring everything back together. And then I bought some brushes. I use Real Techniques a lot. Are like my favorite brushes that I use for foundation, and I usually buy the kit, but in the kit it comes with 4 different brushes, and I only really use 2 of the brushes that come in there, which is a very small brush. I use that for either the lips or, you know, putting concealer on the eyes or eyeshadow base on the eyes. So I stopped buying the kit and I went and got these brushes. It's the Expert foundation brushes. These are perfect for foundation. It just sets the foundation right on top of the skin. You won't have any streaks in your foundation. Love these foundation brushes. It's called the Expert Face Foundation brushes, and I got 2 of them. I have about 8. I do plan to get more before the sale go off. They were $6 each, I believe, $6 or $5, so that was a good deal. I heard a lot about this brush and I've been dying to use it. This is the Real Technique Instapop face brush. So it's just like the Expert face brush, but it's an angled brush, so it's, I don't know, girl, it's supposed to be good. Taylor made Jane raves about it on YouTube, so I've been dying to get this, and it was on sale as well. It's usually, don't quote me, but at Ulta I believe it's about $12 or $13, and I actually got it for $6. I got another setting brush. This as well, I usually buy it with the kit. I did not know how amazing this brush was until I started using it. I literally use this brush for everything. I use it to put on my concealer under my eyes. This is a perfect brush to go under the eyes. You can use it for contour. You can use it for setting your powders. Honey, I love this brush. This is the Real Technique setting brush. Some of my friends that I wanted to do the MAC brushes, but these are supposed to be the dupes for the MAC brushes. I went and got the $6 ones instead of the $30 ones. These are the Morphe M573 brushes, and they're good for transitioning and blending brushes. And I also got the 513 as well, the Morphe M513. That one is a blending brush as well, but it's a pointed blending brush. And then I got 506 brush. That one is a good brush for the crease eye here, to get a defined crease. One of my last clients I did, well, 2 of my last clients I did, and I've started loving this. I've used Plum by MAC lip liner, and then I used the Mirror lipstick, and I loved it. And on another client, I used the same products, but I put Oyster Girl on top, their lip gloss. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking amazing. And then I just picked up some Anastasia brow wiz. I got the chocolate and soft brown. A girl that was raving, well, 2 different girls. Girl was raving about Revlon Supernatural lip glosses, so I bought 3 of those, honey. I'm gonna see how they work out, because I love it when she put it on her clients, so I'm gonna see how they work out on mine. I thought this one was really pretty as well, so I got the pink Kissimo. These again was the Supernatural. I'll bring it closer so you can see. That is such a pretty color. Another girl talks about butter glosses and how amazing they are. I have a lot of NYX lipsticks. I have like the lingerie ones and the ones that they first came out with. Their regular lipsticks, but I never did the butter glosses, so I'm excited. I have 2 packs because they didn't sell the certain one that I wanted separately, which is the fortune cookie and the Madeline. This was actually a good deal. Then I had, when you spend a certain amount, you get bucks back. So one of these was actually free. So that was a good deal for me. Over here, I've been dying to get my hands on this mirror. I was introduced to these mirrors 4 years ago when they first came out. Well, I don't know if they first came out then, but they first came to the department store that I was working at 4 years ago. And they came out with the travel size, which is the one for like $130, and then the one for $200. But honey, I wasn't spending that amount of money on no mirror. So I got this one, which is the handheld, for $80. And the reason why I wanted to do this video first was because I wanted to actually use this in my following video, so I can let you guys know how that works out. But the one I got is in rose gold, and I'm very excited about it. I just really can't wait. I don't have to use that little matte compact anymore, and I be straining my eyes because I'm already half blind. So if y'all see me straining or take it too long to do my eyes, it's because I really can't see, and I don't like putting in my contacts before I do my makeup. So these were my purchases, guys. I really hope that you like them. Let me know if you guys want to see any more makeup hauls, or what products you think that I should buy next and try out. Let me know in the comments down below, and stay tuned for our next video. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that as well. So like, comment, and subscribe. Amours got face. Bye.